Good morning, everyone. I am Jaya Purwar, PGT Economics from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Punjab Line, Meerut, Kent. Want to share my views on simple application of tools of demand and supply curve. We have studied demand and supply analysis in terms of consumer behavior and producer behavior. We have also studied how equilibrium is established in a competitive market. Further, we have analyzed how equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity are impacted by a change in demand and supply. The present section studies some simple application of tools of demand and supply curve. The study focuses on two cases of the government intervention in the commodity market, that is ceiling price and floor price. Ceiling price. As we know, in competitive market, price of goods and services are determined by the forces of demand and supply. Selling price is the maximum limit that the seller can charge from the buyer. Often, government fixes this price lower than equilibrium price, so the poor can afford to buy it. It is used for the commodity that are essential for the masses, like kerosene and sugar. In this diagram, we are seeing that on y-axis price is taken, on x-axis quantity is taken. DD is demand curve, SS is supply curve. OPE is equilibrium price and OP is ceiling price, which is fixed by the government lower than equilibrium price. It creates excess demand. Implications of ceiling price. It leads to excess demand. It results black marketing and hoarding. Black marketing refers to selling commodity at a price higher than ceiling price, and hoarding refers to stocking supplies to create a further shortfall. Its remedies are rationing and dual prices. Rationing refers the amount available is equally divided amongst all buyers irrespective of demand, and dual prices refers part demand fulfilled by the ration and part by free market. Support price. It is also known as floor price. It means minimum price fixed by the government for a product. The government fixes floor price for the farm product above equilibrium price. It is the minimum price that has to be paid to producers. It is used by the government to protect interest of a certain section of a society. Example: support price for food grain, minimum wage legislation. On y-axis, price is taken. On x-axis, quantity demanded and supply is taken. DD is demand curve, SS is supply curve, OPE is equilibrium price, and OP is floor price, which is fixed by the government above equilibrium price, and it creates excess supply. Implication of floor price. It creates excess supply. It requires government intervention to clear excess supply. Its remedies are: government purchase food grain at the support price. It is the price at which government buys the entire product of the farmer which they fail to sell in open market. It helps to maintain market price at the level higher than equilibrium level. Now, questions for recapitulations. Define ceiling price. It is the maximum limit that the seller can charge from the buyer. Often government fix this price lower than equilibrium price. Next question, define floor price. It is the maximum price that is fixed by the government for the product above equilibrium price. Next question, what would Price ceiling leads to when a maximum price is fixed lower than equilibrium price. Options are excess demand, excess supply, deficient demand, none of these. Answer is excess demand. Last question. The minimum price offered by the government to the farmer for the purchase of their output is called. Options are ceiling price, equilibrium price, support price, market price. Answer is support price. Now revise your chapter thoroughly. Stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.